Hi, I'm Anthony Sargent and I run an estate agency called Fish Need Water in South East London. The sort of problems I was experiencing with my marketing was untrackable spend. I've been producing some stuff and not really utilising it in the correct way to get the most out of it. So really it's helped me structure or think about how I structure the content that I'm producing to get the maximum benefit from it. I have tried other avenues before. I've tried to use agencies to help out. I've had a bit of a mixed experience with that. I have previously used some software like what's been introduced here with ClickFunnels, but there was a limitation with some of the software that I used, and that means I couldn't do that, and I've kind of let it all slip, and now I've been able to be shown how to integrate ClickFunnels. I can get going again. The masterclass is going to change my business by making my marketing more cost effective, and in turn it's going to produce more revenue, which will allow me to, once I find the particular marketing strategies that really work, I'll make more money and yeah, maybe able to retire early. The best thing that I've learned really is how to structure and lead somebody through a campaign or a journey to maximise the potential of converting them. Really it's been a bit haphazard beforehand, and so finding out those tips should really help me push our campaigns on now. Yeah, I certainly would recommend the course to anyone really who's looking to set up any kind of business or has got an existing business, because actually some of these tips are low cost in terms of their setup, but potentially will give you a real informative insight into your customer base to allow you to really push on and earn revenue.